Bishop Nathan Ahimbisibwe umureberezi w'ubureberezi bwa South Ankole abandize kurambura zimwe hari za project zitwirene zikorwa Harubare Secondary School kandi nabwanyuma nuko kwiguraho amiza gwishomero rutimbere agamazireho miliyoni 136 umureberezi hona ayigwireho amajuga bashomesa kandi nabwanyuma yatongoza ho murumo ugukombeka icombeko cakanye n'ishatu eco buraro bw'abishiki
yombeka umbere utari byahare amwizanya atatita yaje mwana amen yaje mwana. We have inspected the staff quarters. They are also guilty. They are also there. Mutere banta umugara bukuru ejirachi ekozere kuruji bazihereza na certificate mugende mu checking mu office ya administration. Mwebare okora kuruji namwako gwawira na bano shamche chumwe gamba ukuraje tunane myaka yije.
Rubare Secondary School n'ishomero ryabona abashomeye kandi ubwahatirgiye n'abeje 2018 konka ahibarukurara na nahibarukushomera hafunzire umurumo gukombeka uburaro bw'abishiki nuguza kumaraho sente biliyoni 2 kandi kurundana sente kuri yuno kugendo misho.
Investment in the health, hygiene and welfare of our learners and staff. Reliable access to clean water will improve sanitation, support boarding facilities, enhance learning and reduce the burden that was previously experienced in accessing water.
Tasingre Rubare Secondary nimbana shobi abo ko Rubare community kishomero ababashomi mweterere ngaro mwe bare kubaha nuko kubaha kwa headmistress kwa bishop weni headmistress byoko zire kandi birunje bikoze bwo mwishomero na bishop okwisha kwawe nyuka muhinda Fred managing director wa Mutu Company Limited kandi mirimo y'inkozi raha ni mingi ahabwo burunje bwishomero na leta itora 50
ahabwa TV West and Elias Rutugusa.